Hey there. For this workout, you're going to need a bench for bench pressing, barbell weights, and a separate bar for curl. I have a curl bar here with plated weights on the end. So the first one is a bench press with the bar for 10 reps. So your grip is going to be out at least shoulder width, maybe a little wider. If your elbows are at a right angle, that's usually where you want to be as you hold on to the bar. Okay? Lift the weight off 10 times. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next one is barbell curl, and I use a curl bar for this one. 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm going to move this bar slightly out of the way. Next one is a barbell squat. Take your bar off the bar. Okay, barbell squat. 1, 10 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Safely move the bar out of the way. Next one is a shoulder press with the curl bar. Here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next one, you're going to place the bar at the end of your bench. This is called a pullover. Barbell pullover. Here, bend your elbows slightly. 10 of them. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Safely put the bar down. Now you need a plate for crunches. Plate up, just gonna push plate up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This workout is 5 rounds. Enjoy.